everyone, welcome back to the Likee channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can post a video on Like app. So first of all, you tap open the Like application. Once you tap open the Like app, for you to upload or post a video on Like, you need to tap on the record icon on the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and here you need to tap on the upload at the right side. This will get you access to all the videos inside your mobile device. Now you just need to tap on that video that you want to post on Like app. Tap open that. Now this is the video that I want to upload. So to upload the video, you can make few changes over here. That is, you can make the edits in here, or you can add the text and effects over here. Once all it's done, you can tap on next. Now you just need to tap on post, and with that the video will be posted on your Like account. So this is how you can post a video on the Like application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Likee channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.